Introduce the new applications of our IP-based KVM solutions for meeting room. So by these applications, we can make it easier to collaboration between the meeting rooms and the control rooms. And how to build the systems, so we can integrate all the whiteboard PCs, paperless conference systems into the whole systems. And in the exhibition here, what we have in the meeting room, just whiteboard PCs and just regular touch monitors. So there are 6 touch monitors. They are connected with 6 KVM decoders. And the whiteboard PCs connect with 1 KVM encoder and 1 KVM decoders. And for example, the presenter can just make the annotations here, and all the attenders' touchscreen will be same. So if the attender want to share his idea, he can also highlight things or just make annotations. Yeah, and all the screens, all the attenders' touch monitors or the whiteboard will be display same content. What's more, if for example, the crisis rooms or meeting rooms, the presenter need to access a source from the control rooms, so he can just switch the source and feature double click here. And for example, if he access the PC2 and he can just open some things or to make the, and for example, if he need to annotations, he can also to just make annotate. Yeah, and the attenders can also to make annotation on this PC source, just to highlighting some things. Yeah, and what he writes over his touch screen will be simultaneously to the touch monitors. Okay, so what's more, all the attenders can also to access the source from control room and get access. Yeah, for example, and get the PC control. Okay. So that means the attenders can show the source from the whiteboard PCs to make annotations, and he want to control their own PCs, and he can just use touch KVM to call the OSC interface. Yeah, and this interface can also real-time preview the source and make the access and control. Okay, that's it. Thank you.